Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness or Lifestyle, and today I'll be doing a different style, as you can see, different style video, because I wanted to do this clothing haul, and these are all clothes that I got from Dillard's, in which only actually these are all like something that I collected before the COVID thing. So it was all bought before that, not recently. So I hadn't done a haul on these things, so I wanted to just show you guys these items, all like clearance items. So I just wanted to show you guys these. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to do like the sit down kind. I'm just going to show you guys one by one these things and probably wear and show you guys. Oh, first thing I want to show you guys, I'm just coming closer because so you guys see this properly. But I got this cap. It's really cute, and this was $18, but actually it was not like 18. I got it like for 40% off. So I got, you can do the calculation. So I got it for that less, but it's so cute. It is the brand, what brand is it? Oh, I don't know. It just says CC. I don't know what is CC, but it looks very cute. Look at that, right? Cute color. And I actually got a dress which is matching this, so that's why I got it. Because let me show you the dress, this second dress here. So pretty, cute, and perfect length, because I don't like very long dresses on me, because I am not that tall, and because of that, like, you need to show your legs. If your legs are seen more, then you look a little more taller. So if any dress goes like below the knee for me, then it doesn't look nice on me. I look even more like short. So I always like it little bit shorter. So, but this, I think this is kind of knee length, but it's cute. I will be inserting the clips of the me wearing it just after I show you all the items. So this was the first one you saw, so it kind of matches that. And then the second one is this dress, beautiful dress. So it's this much length, and I love the way it is, it tapers here a little bit and then goes like that. So it's pretty cute. This is all like soft. This is like so soft. It feels so good. It feels like that cashmere kind of softness. It's really nice. And then this was 2065. This was 2065. But again, I paid, I think, 30% on this because length it comes on me. So I like that length. So I think most of them are cardigans here. So this is the 50% off one. How nice it is. It is like really good quality. It's not like that, like it doesn't like come off, there's no glitter coming off it or anything. It's really beautiful and really good quality. And this was 2765. This, like, it didn't have a tag here, but it's Calvin Klein, and they had the tag on the hangers. They gave the hangers also to me, so they gave with the hanger, so it's on here, and it says it was 2765. So this is the one I got 50% off. This one and the other jacket I'm going to show you guys, I got 50% off. So this is 2765, and so I literally got it for like 13 bucks or so. Really nice. So let me show you guys wearing it. It seems a little loose. The reason is because it is small, right? It's not like extra small, but to wear it like as a cover up or something, like, I don't mind it, so it's okay. So there it is. It looks cute, right? So like if you go for like a party and all that, and you want to wear something over the dress, then I think this is like really nice for that. And it's going to keep you like a little warm, like when you're wearing a dress, and then when you're coming out, walking to the car, whatever, like you can wear for that kind of things. And then it's really cute. It doesn't have any buttons or anything here, nothing. And so for the 50% off, I was like, I definitely wanted to take it. So this is the one that was 50% off. And then another one that's 50% off, beautiful jacket. Oh my god. I had seen a similar one actually in Express. I did a lot of shopping in Express last year, and uh, that haul is pending because it's just sitting in a box. I've filled a whole box with my Express clothes, and I got a lot of stuff there, and I haven't even opened it. So I will be doing an Express haul later, but this one I had seen a similar one in Express, and I think it was a little bit more shorter than this, but the same kind of feel, material, and everything, the same style. I don't know if these are these called teddy coats? I'm not sure what they're called, but I wanted one of these, and I thought I found perfect color. This was the only color that they had there, and this was in the sale, and they have a lot of coats and stuff on sale. And this I'm talking about like month back, like in February when I got this, right? So so I'm sure they still have them because it was all closed for a long time, so I'm sure they have all this stuff still going on. But this was this is the brand One State. So the Dillard's has this brand. It's an extra small, and I was actually contemplating like, oh, do I need to get it or not, because the Express one was expensive. This was 15, which I felt like still expensive, like when you go and try to find stuff on clearance, right? But then the whole store that day was 50% off. So those are, that day I found this one and the black one. So that's the reason I got it. So it was 52, 15. So it ended up to be like 25, $26 something, which was pretty good. So let's wear it. It's not going with the top I'm wearing, I guess, but so pretty. And it also has pockets. It is so pretty. I just love it. So pretty. And this, there was nothing wrong with this. It was just on sale. And then it also has the hook here. It just has one here. If you see very closely, it has this hook. And then, yeah, to put the hook on. So there, one hook and then another hook. So it has like two hooks that you can like, yeah, put that like that. And it's nice, right? It's really nice. Let's go get on with the next one, which is this beautiful sweater. And this you need to wear it like on tights actually. It's a nice sweater to wear on tights. Just a long sweater, orange, so nice bright color. But and this was $29.40, so 40% off that price. So 40% off $30. So I guess it'll still be expensive because it'll be like $17, I guess. But I just liked it, and it's so well made. And what brand? And it is in the size PS. Yeah, a lot of these ones I always the ones that fit me. Yeah, this is the Westbound in petites. Yeah, and in those there is PP and PS, and both the sizes are kind of okay with me. Like this one, I wanted it a long one to wear for tights, so that's why I took the PS. So next one, guys, is this sweater. And actually let me show you both the sweaters because they are pretty much the same. So why waste time, I can show both of them. So same exact sweater, same size. I got them in PP. So these ones are like sweaters, right, to wear on pant and stuff. So that's why I got the PP size, and I got both the colors that were available. Because sometimes when I find something that looks nice on me, I tend to buy in like all the colors, which is, I don't know, not a good idea because you get bored sometimes of the style. But anyway, I got this. I don't have a light blue, so I got this light blue, and then this gray too. They pretty much look the same. I don't know why I got both, but I got both of them, and they were how much? And this is the Allison Daily brand. It's like Allison Daily. See here. Allison Daily brand, and it was 1330. So this is how the sweater looks. So I like it. So it's not, like, as you can see, it's like correct size for me. Yeah. And then yeah, you can like tuck it in if you want, or just wear it like that. But I think it's so pretty, nice like blue color, and I love this stuff here, like all this design. I love that. It's just a really old classy design. It'll never go away, like it's pretty. So that's how it looks. Really pretty. I like it. And it's so light. It's not like a heavy sweater, but it'll still keep you warm. It's really good quality. The next one, guys, is just this top. Again, it's like this high-low top, like high on the back, low here, but it's still very long. And it is in size PS. So like I said, this brand, I think this is the Westbound. Yeah, the Westbound, even in the Petites brand, you will see a lot of things like this, which are like they're not, they're still big, like so PP is kind of my size. So this is 1049. It was 1049. It's really long, and it's not going with my pant, but I'm too lazy to change it now. So but it'll look nice if I style it with like tights underneath. It needs to be tight, like this part needs to be tight for this to look good. Otherwise, like, it's too long. Like you can see, even if I do like this, it'll look like really long, right? Yeah, so you can only wear this like with yeah, yoga pants or tights and stuff like that. So not with a jeans pant. One is going to be this cardigan, and again it's this shiny cardigan. Now this I got long back, and the Calvin Klein one I had got after that, I think. So, but this is just a PS size, Ruby Road Petite. I don't know, Ruby Road, some brand called Ruby Road, and it's just a really long one. It's a big one actually, and it is in the size PS, and that's why it is big. But look at the original price on it. The original price was $64. It was on sale for $19.25. So then I got like 40% off that. So it was really good price, and that's why I didn't want to leave it, even though it was so big. It's just oversized for me, but I still like it because the quality is good. It's not, yeah, it was PS, but you can see how it's loose, like it's like loose actually, loose and long. And because of the material, like how it is, yeah, the shining thing and all, it doesn't come out or anything. It's a good quality that way, but it's not soft. It feels a little prickly because of these things. Like, yeah, it feels a little bit prickly. But yeah, it's just something like just to like kind of completely cover yourself with. It's really big, guys, really big. Maybe I should like give it to my sister or something. This red one, this is also like sweater kind of material, but this is more soft and nice than the black one. So this is nice. This is again the IN Studio, and all are petite. I got in the petite section, but this was a PM. The only reason I got this was because it was on sale, and when I wore it, it was like so soft. I was like, okay, even if I don't wear it out, I want to wear it in the house. So it's so cute, and it was, yeah, and because of the price point, because it was $13.65. And of course I got further sale. So that is how the red one looks. So I told you guys it's really long because it is in the size PM, I think. Even though it's petite, in petite it's PM. So it's really, really like long. So I don't know, I plan to like wear it over like when I wear like tights and something, or over dress. Yeah. So, but it's really soft and nice. So that's what I liked about it. It's really pretty. Let me know if you like these kind of videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Take care, and hope you guys liked all the items that I bought. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, love you all.